The future is now. Abu Dhabi's AI revolution. Imagine a city where every streetlight, every bus, and every building is powered by artificial intelligence. A city that anticipates your needs before you even realize them. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. Abu Dhabi is making this a reality by investing a staggering $3.3 billion to become the world's first fully AI-native city by 2027. That's right, fully AI-native. In this video, we'll break down how Abu Dhabi is leading the charge into the future, and what this means for the world. Let's dive in. Abu Dhabi isn't just building a smart city, they're creating an AI-native ecosystem. This means every aspect of urban life, from transportation to healthcare, will be powered by artificial intelligence. The city's AD Digital Strategy 2025-2027 is the blueprint for this transformation. Let's look at the key pillars driving this vision. Keycap 1 Smart City Foundations. Projects like Masdar City and the Zayed Smart City project are already leveraging IoT and AI to optimize energy use, traffic flow, and public services. Think self-regulating streetlights, AI-driven waste management, and autonomous public transport. Keycap 2 Economic Diversification. By integrating AI into sectors like transportation, construction, and finance, Abu Dhabi is boosting its non-oil GDP by 4.7%. This isn't just about tech, it's about creating a sustainable, future-proof economy. Keycap 3 Strategic Partnerships. Tech giants like Versys and Analog AI, backed by Abu Dhabi's G42, are leading the charge in mobility, energy, and healthcare. These collaborations are ensuring that Abu Dhabi stays at the forefront of innovation. Keycap 4 Visionary Investments. With a $100 billion MGX fund dedicated to backing AI companies globally, and the support of the $100 billion MGX fund dedicated to backing AI companies globally, and the support of the $300 billion Mubadala Investment Company, Abu Dhabi is putting its money where its mouth is. This isn't just a local project, it's a global movement. So, what does this mean for the people of Abu Dhabi and the world? Glowing star for residents. Imagine a city where your commute is seamless, your energy bills are lower, and your healthcare is personalized. AI will make life smarter, safer, and more efficient. Glowing star for the economy. Over 5,000 new jobs will be created, ranging from AI engineers to data scientists. This initiative is not just about technology, it's about empowering people and building a knowledge-based economy. Glowing star for the world. Abu Dhabi's AI-native city will serve as a global model for urban innovation. If successful, this could inspire other cities to follow suit, accelerating the adoption of AI worldwide. But it's not just about the tech, it's about the vision. Abu Dhabi is showing us what's possible when ambition meets execution. They're not just building a city, they're building the future. Of course, a project of this scale comes with its challenges. Small diamond data privacy. With AI powering everything, how will Abu Dhabi ensure the privacy and security of its citizens? Small diamond implementation. Integrating AI into every aspect of urban life is no small feat. It requires seamless coordination between government, businesses, and residents. Small diamond global competition. Cities like Singapore and Tokyo are also racing to become AI hubs. Can Abu Dhabi stay ahead? But with challenges come opportunities. Abu Dhabi's investment in AI is a bold statement, a declaration that they're ready to lead the next wave of technological innovation. And with the GCC region emerging as a hub for the New World Renaissance, the stakes have never been higher. Abu Dhabi's AI-native city isn't just a local project, it's a glimpse into the future of humanity. It's a reminder that the boundaries of what's possible are constantly expanding. As we move closer to 2027, the world will be watching. Will Abu Dhabi succeed in creating the world's first fully AI native city? And if they do, what does that mean for the rest of us? One thing's for sure, the future is no longer a distant dream. It's being built right now, in the heart of the UAE. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in tech and innovation. Let us know in the comments, would you want to live in an AI native city? And what excites you most about this vision? Until next time, stay curious, and stay tuned for more updates on Abu Dhabi's journey into the future. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe and share.